Mr. President, Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic of my speech is Almighty Allah. Dear audience, as you know, this earth whereupon we lived and breathed, the sky wherein we looked at the numerous stars of small and large sizes twinkling, the sun that blazes and gives us light and energy, the moon that emits soothing lights and alerts us, and above all numerous other beings that we see around us. The twittering of birds, the cattle grazing in the vast pastures, the air which is utmost essential for our survival, the mountains whereupon we go for recreation and touring purposes, the eruption of volcanoes, the gliding waves of rivers, the plugging, frothing and roaring water of oceans, the pointed cliffs and high and low ridges of the mountains, the calm and quiet vales and dales, the vast unlimited dry sandy tracts of the desert, blooming wherein flowers in the thorny bushes. All these things to whom we can see with our eyes and that are beyond our sight tell us that there is an Almighty Being who has created all these things and running all the matters of the universe and all the universes to whom we have not been able to get to by now despite so much advancement of the present day society. Make us know that it is He, the Almighty Allah, who is administrating all beings, materials and immaterial, alluring or non-alluring, fanciful or otherwise, being or non-being, all the bounties essential to the human beings with much ease and comfort, and whatever comes and colors, hue and hue occurs in this world is of the commandments of His Supreme Being, who is one and alone and none else is like Him, and to whom all purities and praises belong to Him. The more we, as being human beings, think of Him, come to know that it is He, the Allah alone and Almighty, who has made this earth and its being and other universes that are of our vision and sight, the coming of seasons and its turning into the summer, summer into fall, fall into the spring, spring into winter, and winter into rainy season. Dear audience, as you know, the whole universe that is in our sight and beyond is subservient and subordinate to His command and will, who is the most merciful and the most gracious and the most powerful than all other beings. His blessings and bounties are in abundance. He has given a tongue to speak of, eyes to see to, ear to listen to, and legs to move and work from one place to another place, and above all the brain to ponder over, to utilize according to our own contemplation, so that we put ponder over His beings, who is one and none else is like Him, and all other things and beings that He has created for our use and utilization. If anything among His bounties we get lost, we cannot regain that if He does not attend so. But if He wills, we can have time and tide does not affect on it. He is so merciful and gracious that He demands us nothing except that we, the human beings, obey His commandments and orders as the desires of us, so that He could show His blessings and benedictions that He has created for those who obey Him without nay and oblige Him with much sincerity and uprightness, and who serve His other being according to His commandments and guidance as He has laid down in the Holy Quran, and as to which the Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has preached and practiced, has asked us, the human being, to act upon, so that He may forgive us, bestow on us His numerous bounties in this world and the world hereafter.